And I'm sitting here in beautiful Sydney. This is one of my favorite places. I usually come here on Sunday and during the week sometimes I work out of here. And you know what? I was thinking this morning, I'm here enjoying a beautiful cup of coffee in the Sydney Harbour, and I'm thinking there are people out here that are working. You know, they have to work. There are people, you know, my age, but also older than that, where they can't really relax on their Sunday. They can't take it easy. They've actually got to still make money, you know, and they've got to go to work. They've got to go to, you know, Woolworths and work, and they've got jobs to do. And what my point I'm trying to put across is, wouldn't it be great that you can still enjoy this and still work, but actually work where you're enjoying yourself and you're working outdoors where you want and whenever you want. Like I have my phone here, I've got the Amazon app open here, I've got my tools here, I'm jumped on Alibaba, I've got 2 apps open up simultaneously. I'm actually finding like hot products here as we speak. I actually found one about 10 minutes ago, right, that I might particularly jump on. So wouldn't it be great if you could actually manage your business and work from areas like this? And basically, would you enjoy going to work every day? And probably the answer is yes, right? So guys, look for opportunities, look for businesses out there that enable you the time freedom, the leverage. You know, you don't want to be going on a 3-hour commute, you know, to work every day. You don't want to be stuck in a packed bus or a packed train. You want to have a leisurely lifestyle, leisurely business. And you know what? Amazon can do it for you. Import, export can do it for you as well. You've just got to know the strategies to finding great products. So guys, check out my videos. I've got a free webinar as well. Check that out as well, guys, and let's work together. I work with you for the next 2 years. And in those 2 years, I'll show you not only how to find hot products, but also how to source quality suppliers and quality products and bring them in and put them on Amazon and sell them. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I certainly am, and have an awesome day. See you guys.